Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin access to your tag manager or CMS. Without it, nothing proceeds. Next, create the pixel ID in the platform and copy the JavaScript snippet exactly. Paste that snippet into your site header before the closing head tag on every page you want tracked. Once done, publish the change and clear cache so the code loads immediately. This immediate placement enables page view tracking and prepares for event setup next. Once the pixel is live, decide which events you need. Page view is automatic, but add purchase, lead, or custom conversions for value. Implement event calls either inline in your app where actions occur or via your tag manager using triggers tied to selectors or URL patterns. After implementation, open the platform's real-time debugger and perform the actions yourself to confirm events fire and carry correct parameters. If values or ID are missing, revisit the event code and correct variable mappings. To finish, map event parameters like value, currency, and content ID so optimization algorithms can learn. Then run batch tests across browsers and mobile devices, and remember to check with ad blockers disabled because they commonly block pixels. If you see no data arriving, inspect network requests in DevTools for the pixel endpoint and review console errors for syntax issues. Correct any header, CSB, or async loading problems. If persistence still fails, reissue the snippet and revalidate with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.